Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to extract audio from a video. VLC is a free tool that can easily extract audio. First download VLC and install in your PC. If it is not there, then open VLC Media Player. Click on Media. Then click Convert and Save. Click Add and select your video file, or you can drag and drop. Click Convert and Save. In the Profile drop-down, select Audio, MP3. Click Browse to choose Save Location and give a name. Then click Start. VLC will extract the audio and save it as an MP3. That's it. Very simple and very easy. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.